What you cooking today?
Garlic crab. Garlic crabs. I will give y'all the recipe, but then I have to kill you.
They better be good. Why you talking about give us a recipe?
Girl, I am making a video. Pipe it down.
Oh.
Y'all, whatever you want.
Strawberry, because you didn't share with me last time.
Yeah.
I had to take watermelon in my head.
Little onions and bell peppers in here.
Yeah, we also have boiled crab. Your dog is so needy.
Mine, y'all.
Whatever you want about that.
My dog needs it too. That's
All
why
these are crabs as well. I'm gonna say this 2 dozen right there. Then we got another dozen and a couple of crawfish and shrimp. And on the second phase.
Yeah, I'm just putting the butter in. So I've already sauteed my onions, bell peppers, and garlic. I would have preferred to put some celery in it, but some people don't like the taste, so I'll just forego that. But I then went in with some butter. I probably need more than that, just depending upon how many. I think we have two and a half dozen of garlic crabs, so I might need more butter. Just keep in mind though that it doesn't have to cover the crabs because it's just steaming the crabs. So you want a good little bit of juice though, so you can put it over all of the crabs. So. This is not the most healthiest meal, but it tastes good. Alright, so here you can go to... I think I need more.
Now sniffing like you ain't right.
I'm trying to, it's something I'm thinking it's missing.
Everything.
It's missing everything.
Yeah.
Like what?
It ain't nothing but butter, onions, and bell pepper. That's it. You ain't got no seasoning in it.
Oh, it's like everything.
Yeah, that's what it's missing. I haven't put any seasoning in it. While you over here sniffing and smelling. Or something. Alright, so put a little bit of Old Bay. Well, that's not a recipe. Some garlic salt. Some Everglades, onion powder, and garlic powder. Now keep in mind that this is butter, so that's why I'm using all of this seasoning, because it takes a lot to season butter. If y'all don't know that. But anyway, y'all season it the way you want to. This is how we like it over here. Garlic salt, and I might not need it. Paprika. Oh no, this onion pepper. Oops, let me put that up.
You
Paprika. Right. We've been on fire. And onion powder.
But she
And
said
garlic
she
powder. She had been cleaning up. Okay. I think I did use that already. So now we're going to give it a good stir.
what tastes like.
Auto.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna put a little bit of this. It's always spicy to get out. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of lemon juice. Just a taste, not much. Yeah, I think that's enough. Now let's see what it's giving. So we do need some black pepper. No, I need more. That shit hot.
Put that all on the table. Something on her eye?
If she can find them, she do.
Let me get it out.
So we're gonna go ahead and put the lid on this, let it steam for a little, and she done.
Said it ain't gonna work.
This is small. Yeah, right out of my hand.
No, these what you call them. We ain't put no more on yet. We was trying to wait on Carlos to get this jump.
The
She
bill.
not taking all.
Go to the damn phone store and get the bill. I have to get the gold for boy stuff.
All right.